What if you never had to cook again and still hit 150 grams of protein a day? No stove, no oven, no meal prep Sunday. Just $60, 5 minutes per meal, and a grocery list you can knock out in one run. I'm going to show you exactly what to buy and exactly what to eat. Let's go. Here's everything. One store, $60. Proteins first, because that's where this plan lives. Canned tuna in water, 6-pack, $6. 25 grams of protein per can. Canned chicken breast, pull tab, no can opener needed, 4 cans, $7. 40 grams of protein per can. Non-fat Greek yogurt, 32-ounce tub, $5. Your breakfast base and your snack. Cottage cheese, 24 ounces, $4. 25 grams of protein per cup. Most underrated food in this entire plan. Pre-cooked hard-boiled eggs, 6-pack, $4. Peel and eat. That's it. Deli turkey, 9-ounce pack, $5. Carbs and fillers, whole wheat tortillas, rice cakes, instant oats, whole wheat crackers, $13 total. Produce and flavor, bagged salad, cherry tomatoes, bananas, baby carrots, 2 avocados, $13. Everything bagel seasoning and hot sauce, $3.50. Buy this first. It makes everything taste good. Breakfast, turkey avocado wrap, 2 minutes, 30 grams of protein. 1 whole wheat tortilla flat on the counter, 4 slices of deli turkey, half an avocado, scoop it straight from the skin, spread it with a fork. Handful of cherry tomatoes, roll it up. Done. You can eat this on the way to work. 380 calories, 30 grams of protein, 2 minutes of your life. 380 cows, 30 grams protein, 2-minute prep, 0 cooking. Lunch, canned chicken wrap, 3 minutes, 42 grams of protein, highest protein meal in this entire plan. Pull the tab on the canned chicken, dump it straight onto a tortilla, shred it with a fork, 3 strokes, done. Avocado spread on top. Pile the salad mix on, roll it, that's lunch. You didn't touch a pan, you didn't turn on a burner, and you just ate 42 grams of protein in 3 minutes flat. 360 cows, 42 grams protein, 3-minute prep, pull tab can, not even a can opener. Dinner. And I want this one to actually feel like dinner, because that's when most people fall off the plan. Tuna avocado rice cake stack, 4 minutes, 35 grams of protein. 4 rice cakes on a plate. 1 can of tuna split across all 4. Avocado slices laid on top. Cherry tomatoes scattered around. Hot sauce over everything. It looks like something you'd order at a cafe. It costs $1.75, and you made it in 4 minutes without touching a single piece of cooking equipment. That is the whole point of this plan. Here's what a full day on this plan looks like. 3 meals, 2 snacks, 1,500 to 1,700 calories, 130 to 160 grams of protein, $8 to $9 spent, and the longest any single meal took 4 minutes. That is a calorie deficit. That is a muscle-preserving protein intake. And that is a plan you will actually stick to. Full grocery list and complete meal breakdown is in the description. Go do one grocery run. This week is handled. Drop a comment. Which meal are you trying first? Subscribe for a new plan every week. See you in the next one.